So hello and welcome back. Let's talk about the law of conservation of energy, which states that power delivered equals power absorbed. So here we have an electric circuit with two voltage sources. I have a 20 volt and 10 volt source in series with a 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistor. They're all in series, so they all have the same current. So I'm going to use Kirchhoff's voltage law in order to find the current, where 20 equals 2I plus 10 plus 3I. So 20 minus 10 equals 5I, so the current equals 2 amps. So the power for the 20 volt source is 20 times 2, or 40 watts delivered. The power for the 10 volt source is 10 times 2, or 20 watts absorbed. And then resistors always absorb power. So the power for the 2 ohm resistor is I squared R, or 2 squared times 2, which is 8 watts. The power for the 3 ohm resistor is I squared R, or 2 squared times 3, which is 12 watts. So now we sum the power delivered and the power absorbed. So power delivered is 40, and power absorbed is 8 plus 12 plus 20, which is also 40.